いいですか？はい。
We got each other.
Hi.
Chris! No!
It's a Shuka. There's an Allison.
Is that video?
Yes, it is.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's a Toppy.
Smile at it.
That's a Sydney. That's a chair. This mustache means serious business. Serious business. Nobody knows! The Happy Brand.
The smiley face is very happy.
You're swimming back. All the Sharpies in the world are mine.
Would you be mad at me if I stole this and ran away?
No.
And then ate it?
No. I already had it written down and gave it back.
What if I bit off your arm and ran away with that too?
I would not be okay with that. That is Tommy. He is a Hertz. That is an Andy. She is not a Hertz. This sounds like a Dr. Seuss book. That is an Emily and an Aaron. Emily is spazzing out. That is a Veronica. She is not Hertz. Also, yeah. Tommy, is it recording?
Yeah. No! A retarded box or a retarded fox?
Look at what he said! Retarded fox. You laughing? You don't even know what he said.
Aaron, that's my knee.
I know that's your knee.
He doesn't care.
Tommy, I will grab you and use you as a javelin.
Again.
That is like the most awesome. I see that on YouTube. I'm kicking down your wall and I'm throwing Tommy through you.
Like
No, you're not. If you were too skinny, you wouldn't do enough damage. You'll probably crash into the wall and die, but it's
Yeah.
worth it. It's a sacrifice I'm willing to make.
A life for a life.
The fact that it's not my life has no relevance. I'm going to sleep.
Okay.
Wake me if somebody is sharpieing me.
Hi.
That was my knee in the bad spot.
It's going on YouTube.
There's no kneecap.
I'm going to take all this video that I record here, and I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it on my computer, and we're going to put it on the internet, and then we're going to laugh at them. Mostly him and her, but mostly, but all of us, but mostly. Aaron, you look so fashionable with your pink towel.
Shut up.
It's now sports latest fashion from France. It's Aaron with his pink towel.
I think all the time and say the French go either way. He's angry because we like his pink hand towel. He puts it back.
Aaron color. Is he answering?
He says, put your towels on, Aaron! It's not moving, it's dead.
I see him calm, the inside.
Did he fall asleep?
No, I doubt he could.
How can you ever fall asleep when you're around us?
Natürlich hat ein Deutscher Wetten das erfunden. Vielen Dank für die schönen Stunden. Wir sind die freundlichsten Kunden auf dieser Welt. Wir sind